Of course, kaya nakasala ng kami.
Ganda-ganda mo talaga, ma'am.
Small thing. Good morning, Ma'am Queenie. Ito na po yung applicants natin for you.
Good morning, Hannah. Okay, let me check. For what position are they applying for?
They're applying for the editorial team po, ma'am.
Who's this Jean and from what department she is?
She applied for the writing department.
She's qualified to be in an editorial. Bakit kaya siya hindi tinanggap ni Miss Hannah?
Kasi po, ma'am.
What's the reason for that?
Napagkalaman po kasi, ma'am, na-expect po pala yung Sir Miguel Sinonchino. Kaya po siguro hindi siya tinanggap ni Scotty kahit qualified naman po siya.
Can you please go, Miss Hannah?
Good morning, ma'am. We did welcome you.
Upon checking the application form, Miss Kathy, I've seen Miss Jane Garcia and she has a strong qualifications to be in the editorial. Why didn't you accept her as part of the editorial?
Well, it's because, ma'am, I've seen her Janice better than her.
Aside from that, Miss Kathy, is there any personal reasons that's why you didn't accept Miss Jane?
No, ma'am. I don't even know her.
Well, I've heard that you are with Miss Jane's ex-husband. Is it true? Hannah,
Yes, Ma'am Queenie.
can you please call Miss Jane, please?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Ito na po. Excuse me? Miss Jean here? Yes. Miss Jean, nakatawag ko kayo yung mga ngayon sa office. Dito po tayo. Okay. Good morning, ma'am.
Miss Jane, you have applied for the editorial degree, right? Yes, ma'am. Upon checking your application form, you are qualified in a part of the editorial team. That's why I would like to congratulate you. You are now officially part of our team.
Thank you, ma'am.
God guys, alam niyo na ba ang business ni Christine Gao ay natanggap na sa editorial team?
What? Talaga ba? What? Tama naririnig ko? Well. Look is here. Are you happy now that you're part of our team now? Why, are you threatened? What? Me? Threatened? How dare you? Kung akala mo, masasakal mo ako yung ngayon, nagkakamali ka. First of all, I would like to thank your presence. Thank you so much for being here, for you, and of course for the whole team. Congratulations. And of course, it wouldn't be happened. We couldn't reach this goal without the help of you and also your efforts, especially Miss Kathy and Miss Jean. And of course, for tonight, I would like also to announce our new leader, our new head department for the editorial team. So, are you all guys excited to know who is our next leader?
Of course.
Okay, so I would like to give a toast for everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, please let's congratulate all together Miss G. Thank you so much. Once again, can we sing a video, please? Please excuse me for a while.
Ano ito? Bakit? Pati ano yung naman ang nagagawa na yun? Pwede bang panapunta na lang natin? Kasi yan lang naman ako para sa inyo ibigay para sa sarili ko. Kaya, well, may point ka rin naman. So, friends, thank you for congrats by the way. Thank you. Congrats, Becky.